Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting off with foundation and I'm using one that's a few shades lighter than what I normally wear. I'm going in with this gray eyeshadow and I'm gonna put that all over my cheekbones, and I'm also gonna apply a little bit on my temples. So for this look, I'm literally only using two eyeshadows from the James Charles palette. And I'm starting off with this beautiful, it's like a purpley pinkish eyeshadow. And I'm just going to apply that all over my lid and also on my lower lash line. And I'm going to go back and forth with it. I'm going to intensify it until I like how it looks. And now I'm going in with the black eyeshadow, and I'm gonna do the same thing, just gonna go back and forth with it until I like how dark the eyeshadow looks. And I'm gonna do the same thing to my lower lash line. Now I'm just going back with the purple eyeshadow and I'm going to just buff everything out and blend it, and I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm going to add a black liner to my waterline, add some lashes. And here I'm just using a black liquid lipstick by Smashbox, and I'm gonna also add some red lipstick by MAC just to blend that together. And I also attempted to add some blood, but that was a fail because when I applied it with the tube, I placed it a little bit far away from my lips, so it didn't end up looking right. So I just left it like that. I was not about to wipe everything off. I mean, oh well, it's not that serious, like I said. And yeah, that was it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It was super quick and easy to do. I also bought these items at Walmart, and this is what completed the look, which was just the vampire blood, the teeth, and the nails, and everything is so inexpensive. And this is the costume. It's called Maiden of Darkness. It's so pretty, but you know, I just decided to just buy some teeth and a little vampire.
Bebés que les gusta la parranda, acompañados de mujeres muy hermosas.